Eastside queen, fiddle my feet like that. You have to fight back, let me tell you that. Four sitting on my mingle, not take no chat. Boy, you meet your much. Yeah, I start ripple when my wine.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I know it's been a while that y'all haven't seen me, but y'all know like why, the circumstances. But I'm just gonna do a vlog, like a basic vlog. What I need to do today is like I need to cook. I'm gonna be cooking greenfig and saltfish. If you can see like in the back all the greenfig setup, I'm going to cook greenfig and saltfish because right now I'm in Canada and I craving some Caribbean food, you know. They don't have all the stuff that I want. Like they don't have the exact seasonings, they don't have the, you know, if you don't know pima vegetarian, like the little peppers, they don't have none of that. So I'll have to do with what I can for the moment and make greenfig and saltfish. So I don't know what this vlog gonna be about, but it's just gonna be about like endless random things. Okay, so if you want to see me cook, the water is already boiling and I'm gonna peel the green figs. So this is my little setup right here, what I need plus seasonings. So yeah, let me show you the saltfish there. It's boiling up. Let me put it a little high. It's boiling up. It'll take a little while. So if your woman don't know how to peel green fig, she's not a woman. So my green fig is peeled and I like to put a little bit of oil in the water, just a little bit. And I'm just gonna put the green fig. The thing about it, I'm in two minds if to do fried plantain or to do boiled plantain. I don't know. I prefer boiled plantain than fried plantain. I don't know why. Don't come for me. I love fried plantain, but it's just that like boiled plantain hits. The thing I hate about onions, like I'm literally crying. Like the onion, oh my gosh. Let me get a tissue because you can like yeah, so that's the only thing I don't like about onions. They make you cry. A lot of people say like you run hot water and cut the onions and it does nothing. I tried that not working. Saltish, I want to change the water. I'm just gonna change the water and put new water. The new water is on the fire. So we have the tomato there. So like I told y'all, usually if I do in saltfish, I'll have red peppers. I'll put a picture of the peppers I'm talking about. Pima vegetarian. I'd have sweet peppers. I'd have sweet peppers and you know much more seasoning. But this is all we have to work with right now. So I'm gonna do with it. It's still gonna taste yummy. The steaming hot green fig, yummy, yummy, yummy. I like my green fig a little soft. I don't know about you, I like it a little soft. So that's why I do it like that. From the time I start seeing there getting away, like you know, that's when I finish. Right now, the saltfish is done. Right here, I'm just sauteing the onions. I like my onions to be a little, you know, caramelized. And I'm frying plantain. I did some boil with the skin on and now it's fried. So I'll show you the finished product because I think I'm doing too much talking on the cooking there. So yeah. Oh, I did salad too. Yeah. So this is the final product. We have the saltfish over here, nice and juicy. Cucumber salad, tomato and carrots, ripe plantain, boiled green fig and fried plantain. That's how we do it over here. Yes guys, yeah.